Hello guys, welcome to Tenorshare ReiBoot version 9.0 guide video. Today I'm going to introduce a brand new, super handy feature, and this can help you repair macOS system issues. With these features, users can effortlessly fix, upgrade, and downgrade their macOS systems. Let's go! First, connect your Mac device to another Mac or PC. Make sure both your devices are fully charged. You can always keep them charged. Then launch ReiBoot, and you can see the Repair macOS System Issues option. Click it. Here you can see two options. Usually, the standard repair can fix your problem and it will keep all your data. Click Standard Repair to proceed. Here you will find that my device is not recognized by ReiBoot. That is because I have not entered DFU mode. So following the guide here, let's do it. Press and release the power button. Press it again and at the same time press these three keys, right shift and left option and left control for about 10 seconds. After that, release these three keys, but keep holding the power button until ReiBoot detect your MacBook. Here ReiBoot needs you to download the latest firmware. Make sure you have a stable network and click download. Click Standard Repair to proceed. ReiBoot will begin to fix your MacBook. Be patient. It will take about 10 minutes. Once done, you can see it become normal again. That's it. For more tutorials, you can subscribe to us or go to tenorshare.com. See you.